procrastination is kind of like a credit card. It's a whole lot of fun until you get that bill come in the post. One of the biggest problems a lot of people have with this procrastination thing is they procrastinate so long that they lose all momentum and they no longer make a decision. They lose all the traction that they previously had. As a business owner, okay, so how can you use this to your advantage so you can get a better ROI from your social media marketing? There's a few things you can do. I'm gonna give you them right now, okay? Number one, target the right kind of people. For example, if you're showing dog ads to cat lovers, it's just not gonna work. Just like if you're trying to sell cat food to a dog owner, okay? So you gotta show the ads, you gotta show your content to the right audience who are probably gonna like the stuff that you sell. Number two, drive traffic like crazy. Drive traffic to your content, to your videos, to your website, to your funnel, the whole thing. But the important thing here is, and this is the part that like everybody misses, give value, okay? Just give a bunch of value for free. Number three, okay, so you gotta make offers with the content. The old days of making all these kind of offers, like, hey, okay, you gotta buy now, you got 20 minutes to make a decision. They're over. You've got to make soft offers within the content. So give value, give content, give value, give content, soft offer, soft close, give value, give content, soft close. You get what I mean? Oh, and by the way, if you think all this stuff is kind of cool and you want us to do it all for you and manage your social media, then head on over to www.lumakidigital.com. See what I did there? That's it. You give value, give content, soft close. Hey, maybe you want us to do all this kind of stuff for you. If you think it's cool, you think I'm a good guy, head over to the site. And the final part of the puzzle, the piece that goes into the jigsaw to complete the whole thing, is follow up like freaking crazy. You gotta follow up and give more value, okay? Because people aren't always ready to make a decision right now, but give value, give value, give value, give value. And eventually they'll be prepared to make a decision. They'll say, okay, hey, I'm ready to pull the trigger. Give them like a ton of more value. Target the people who've already watched your stuff. Like if you watch this video now, I'm going to be retargeting. I'm going to be giving you more value. I'll give you more ads. I'll give you more free videos that's going to help you. Even if you never do business with me, I'm just going to keep giving you value until you say, hey, I don't want any more value. I'm ready to become a client. And by the way, social media, it has all this data for you. It tells you who watched this ad. I know who's watched this ad and I'm going to target them again with more valuable content. And the second thing, another thing you can do is give them more value through messenger chats, through email sequences, the whole thing. Just keep giving value. Value, value, value. Okay? Anyway, thanks for watching this video. And if you found it helpful and you think, these guys are pretty good, I'd love them to help me and my business manage your social media marketing, then simply go over to www.lumakidigital.com. That's www.lumakidigital.com. Thanks again for watching the video.